Hello traders, this video is about different types of trading systems that work. Okay, different types of trading systems that work. TSTW stand for trading systems that works. Okay, so we want to look at a different type of trading system that work, why we build them, and how you can use them. Okay, so you can understand, because I received a few emails recently, people asking me the difference between the TSTW24, the TSTWSY08, and the TSTWSYS008. Okay, so we want to show you here the difference, okay, between all these trading system that work. Okay, so we start now. Okay, so now I have here the monthly chart of the pound yen currency pair. Okay, but I want to talk to you about the different type of trading system that work. The first of the group of the TSTW is the TSTW24. That's the number one trading system, okay, of the group of the TSTW20 or the TSTW trading system. Okay, now we have a 5 TSTW, and the TSTW stands for trading system that works. Okay, the first is the TSTW24, and then we have the TSTWSYS08, and then we have the TSTWSYS008, okay, and then we have the TSTWSYS0008, and the last one is the TSTWSYS00008. Okay, so we will release only for traders 3 TSTW: the TSTW24, the TSTW-SYS08, and the TSTW-SYS008. This has been already given to the traders. Okay, these 3 TSTW has been given to the traders so far. Okay, we will not release to the public the 4th TSTW, which is the TSTW-SYS0008. Okay, that will be given to the institutional bankers and also to the hedge fund managers. Okay, the last one, which is the 5th TSTW, will not be released to anybody. It will remain in-house for ourselves. Okay, so now asking the question regarding the difference between these trading systems that work. Okay, we will start with the TSTW24 trading system. This is the number one of the group. Okay, now the TSTW24 trading system has been built, okay, for day trading and swing trading. It can be used for gold, trading crude oil, okay, trading stocks, trading currencies, and trading futures, and for option. Very important. Okay, now for those who are using the TSTW24 for option trading, you must use the swing trading method of the TSTW24 trading system for your option trading, and also for commodity traders you must use the swing trading portion of the TSTW24 trading system. Okay, that's the best way to do it, but the decision is perfectly yours. Okay, so the TSTW24 has been built to allow traders, repeat, very important, to allow traders to build the mindset of a professional trader, to trade with discipline. That was our goal, because you have to remember that I was losing consistently and abundantly before I built this trading tool, and it took me a year to be satisfied with this trading tool. So there is a lot being put into the TSTW24. Even though it looks a very simple trading system, remember, it's a very powerful tool. Every indicator, okay, everything that we said in the TSTW24, if a trader is smart enough and look deeply, you will find more information hidden in the TSTW24 trading system. Of course, we cannot reveal everything to traders straight away, but if you are using the TSTW24 trading system and we tell you a few things about it, please pay attention. Do not just ignore it or disregard it because you think that this is a simple trading system. I mean, we say to traders that when the first best time frame is up, do not take any bearish signal. If a trader is following that for day trading, that trader will save a lot of money. We say to traders also that when the first best time frame is down, do not take any bearish signal, any bearish trade. Does not matter which time frame you are on. The first best time frame is the filter, is the door. And also we have other rules that we follow. A single green followed by a triple red. Disregard a triple red with step aside or observe the price. Same thing. Single red followed by triple green. Don't take that triple green. Pay attention. Step aside. It's happening all the time. On the weekly chart, on the daily chart, you see traders banging their head trying to take those signals. It's happening all the time. Some TSTW 24 traders, even though they are using it, they don't pay attention to that. But we are saying the same thing again. This is what I call the market code. The TSTW 24 is the market code. Myself, I trade a different type of trading system, but I always remember the rules of the TSTW 24. The first best time frame when I'm day trading. Some of the signals are so easy, especially those who are trading a currency pair or those who are trading a volatile stock. Even the Dow Jones, you see all the time. People, you see the first best time frame, Dow Jones especially, trying on the Dow Jones. The first best time frame rules, number one. And you won't be taking any signal, losing money like other people. You will be saved from all the mess going on in the market. Or you go, some people like to trade a 4-hour chart, okay? So they trade in a 4-hour chart, okay? And they see the stochastic being overbought, they jump and sell. But if they knew, if they were using a TSTW 24, they will know that it's not the time to sell. They will know. It's happening every time, especially when the market is about to open, the opening bell. Watch the first best time frame of the TSTW 24. So the TSTW 24 has been built to allow traders to be disciplined, because new traders, okay, experienced traders make few mistakes. Traders that are struggling are making few mistakes. They are not disciplined enough. They don't have that mindset of professional traders. Okay, I went to one of the professional traders, okay, which trade live, okay, and we see it, okay. This guy can control himself. Traders throwing questions. I read all sorts of complaints about this guy on the web. People are busy writing wrong things about traders that are trying to help them all the time. All sorts of nonsense. I was glad that I didn't read that before I met this guy, because if I read it before, I wouldn't have joined him. Now, all kind of nonsense. Now, we put that to the side because it's another subject we'll talk about another time. Complaining, and blaming everybody else except yourself. That's wrong. Now, the point I want to make here is that a trading this TSTW 24 is a very simple trading system based on a stable data in the market, the price itself, okay, carefully built. Take me a year to come to this conclusion. Designed for traders to control themselves, very important. So it allows you to control yourself. You do not overtrade, okay. You have rules. If you are using the TSTW 24, okay, or you have given up using it, go back to it, because it will save you a lot of trouble. Pay attention to the first best time frame when you're about to enter the trade. It's a powerful tool when it comes to day trading. Also for swing trading, we see people receive, the people will see a double top or we see a double bottom. Is he ready? They don't know. They don't know. We know when it's ready. We know TSTW 24 traders know when it's ready. They know when the head and shoulder is going to fail or is going to succeed. They know, because at the end of the day, when they are about to enter that head and shoulder pattern, they will check the first best time frame. And people just doing all sorts of things in the market. The first best time frame, the second best time frame. When the first best time frame is showing strong downtrend, it says that the day is going to be down. When the second best time frame is going down, is showing a strong downtrend, it's saying that the week is going to go down. When the third best time frame of the TSTW 24 is going down, it's telling that the month is going down. So strong downtrend on the third best time frame, telling that the month is going down. Second best time frame, the week is going to go down. First best time frame, the day is going to go down. It's powerful tool. Now, I mean, you can see that I'm a bit emotional about this a simple trading tool. And when a trader purchases the TSTW 24, we pay attention to the behavior of this trader. Now, we watch carefully how the trader will move forward. We cannot tell if the trader will succeed as a trader the way he applied the TSTW 24. Some traders, they can't follow instruction. They can't be disciplined. So you can see straight away, they don't ask any question about the TSTW24. They just go quiet. And you send them emails, say what's going on. I mean, can you tell us? They say everything's fine. But you know, these people, they are starting to follow instruction. To build that mindset, discipline, to do it properly. They are not able to do it. That's it. I mean, they are on their own. This their choice. I mean, is to build that mindset. If you, we know some traders use perfectly. We see some of the lady. I mean, I'm amazed. The lady, how to say, the lady are using the TSTW24 better than the men right now. And the lady they use it, I don't know why, because maybe their mind, the way their mind is built, they use the TSTW. And see most of the lady go back and buy the TSTW SYS008 because they say they like it for the 24. But the point I want to make to you is that when you buy something, use it properly, master it, and own it. If you don't own it, it's not going to benefit you in any way at all. That's the point we want to make. So TSTW24, this is about to build a mindset and being disciplined and to adopt the mindset of professional traders and to achieve consistent winning trade day after day. So it's building a way to stop you making the same mistake over and over, to cut corners. It stop you doing that. So it's building a way, if you follow it carefully, it's building a way to allow you to avoid making the same mistake over and over and keep losing. But in fact, you start winning. Okay, that's why it's trying to educate you to make you a better trader. So if you are a new trader, TSTW24 is perfect for you. If you are a serious day trader, TSTW24 is for you. If you are struggling, which means you are not achieving consistent winning trend, some traders, because they have a lot of experience as a trader already, when they look at the TSTW24, they say it's simple. Now, but if they use the TSTW24 perfectly, they gain something very important, which is the mindset, the discipline, and they understand. Suddenly, they move up. We've seen it. There was a guy who said to us that it's so simple. I say, yeah, but the same guy came back and say, excellent tool, because now they see it. He start avoiding the mistake. He start doing it properly. And I mean, we don't want to keep people around taking their money each month. People pay monthly, even £100 or £200 a month for a trading a seminar or trading room. We don't do that. You pay once and you go. I mean, it's up to you. And then the second tool in this group is the TSTW SYS08. Now, we receive email from one of the TSTW SYS08 trader who say that the TSTW SYS08 is not for day trading. We disagree 100%, as he say here, for day trading and for swing trading. And we have sent to that gentleman a video to show him how he can perfectly trade day trade with a swing trading, because the argument of the gentleman was that he is a day trader and the TSTW SY08 is only for swing trading, which is completely wrong. I sent him to page 6 of the document to look at it and to watch also the video that we, because if you purchase system and you do not understand something, please ask questions. Do not jump into conclusions saying that this is not what it is. This is the first time somebody is saying something bad about the TSTW SY08. Now, this is hand on heart, okay? A lot of people buy this trading system. First time somebody saying that this is not for day trading. I mean, we are willing to help traders, to assist traders. Myself, I'm a day trader more than swing trader. I day trade because the market is changing constantly. We are in a different dimension of the market now. So day trading is the best option in my view right now, because the market keeps changing, because the computerized trading, the automatic trading, okay, all the high frequency traders, the market is changing all the time. So swing trading, you need to be very, very smart. That's why we use the TSTW08 to alert you that today is going to be a down day, tomorrow is going to be up day. So you don't stay too long in the swing trade only to give back what you have already earned. But the TSTW SYS08, okay, has been built, okay, pay attention carefully, why we built the TSTW SYS08. Now, because people, traders, some traders have a lot of experience. The TSTW SYS08 has been built for accurate timing, the place and the time of the entry. That was the number one priority when we were building the TSTW SY08, because many traders can be perfectly right for the direction of the price, but they enter the trade at the wrong place at the wrong time. That's why we built the TSTW SY08. Can be used for gold, oil, okay, commodity, can be used for currencies, indices, okay, and any financial instrument that move fast, okay. You don't want something that is too slow, okay. So this is it, the TSTW. That's why we build it. Accurate timing, okay, at the right place, to enter the trade at the right place, okay, for day trading and for swing trading. Repeat, day trading and swing trading. But every trading system have a level, okay. So you can say that the TSTW SYS08, okay, or you can say that 55% of the time or 60% is for swing trading and 40% for day trading. You can say that, okay. That would be a fair argument. But you can't say that it's not for day trading or for swing trading, okay? Every system have a higher percentage. You can say that the TSTW 24 is 60% more for day trading and 40% more for swing trading. Okay, we can agree with you, because it depends where we put more the emphasis in the document. But it does not mean that they can't do both. Every trading system that we build it to day trade and for swing trade. That's what we do all the time. So you can say that 60% of the time, the 60% of the TSTW SY08 is for swing trading and 40% is for day trading. But what we try to do here at the TSTW SY08 is to stop traders over trading. So we move them away from the lower time frame, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, 30 seconds. We move them away from there. So we move them to a better time frame where they can trade like professional traders. You see, the professional, they use the lower time frame from entry point. Ordinary traders are busy making their decision on the lower time frame. It's the opposite that the professional doing. The decision you make on a higher time frame, and the professional coming on the lower time frame to make their entry point. Now, the professional scalpers know where the price is going, so they are going in the direction of the price in the lower time frame. And the ordinary traders are making their decision on the 5 minute, on the 10 minute, on the 50 minute chart with their stochastic. It's wrong. So we move traders away from the lower time frame a little bit up, so they can start day trading on a much more solid time frame. So they don't have to go with the market noise, blah 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 blah. Overtrading costs you too much money. That's what we try to do. Okay. So this is about the TSTW SYS08. A simple tool, okay, key point, right time and right place, entry point accurately, okay, for day trading and for swing trading. That's what we call it, the unfair advantage trading system. Why we call it unfair advantage trading system? Because a lot of traders receive signal and they know their setup, but they don't know the problem, the main issue why traders are losing is because of the place and the time where they should enter the trade. Is it time? Is it the place? So they get into trouble, they lose, even though they know that they can trade. That's why they keep trying. They keep trying because they know they can trade. So we give them a TSTW SY08 to guide those traders, okay, to come out of it. So when you receive the TSTW SY08, it's not the end of the matter. Learn to do it properly. Okay, if you pay for it, it's yours. Now own it and do it properly. No one can do it for you. You are the only one who can do it. Moving on to the TSTW SY008, so 008. This is the third of the group of the TSTW, okay, trading systems that work. Okay, this is it. This is the one here. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, waiting for my thing to load up here. A bit slow here, as I said. Too many stuff on my computer right now. I'm running here. Sunday afternoon, trying to prepare myself for Monday, all the blah 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 going on here. So bear with me, it's going to come up now clearly, neat for you. Okay, this is what we call the game changer. Okay, so the 08 is what we call the unfair advantage trading system. Okay, the 008, that's what we call the game changer. Okay, now what we have done here, okay, so somebody can purchase the TSTW 24 and then move to TSTW 08 and then move to 008. Okay, the best thing to do is to have first the 24 and then go straight away to 008, because when you purchase the 008 you will get the 08 for free. But if you buy 24 and then buy 08 and then you buy 008, you end up paying more. So the best thing is when you move from 24, go to 008. But the decision is yours. The 08 can do the job perfectly. The 24 can do the job perfectly. But it's you, the trader, okay? The key point is you, the trader, okay? So, I mean, here is 008, the game changer. What's the point of creating the third one? Now, the market is doing the same thing over and over, but traders do not see it, okay? Over and over. So when you are using the 08, you don't realize that the price is going from one cycle to another cycle. So you don't know when the cycle has begun, when the cycle has ended. I'm not talking here about the trend. I'm talking about the cycle. It's a different matter. Now, when I started trading first, I was a bit enthusiastic about cycle. I watched everything about video regarding the cycle. I go on Google, I look for video about cycle. There is one excellent video about the cycle on Google, but not too many. So then I go into this kind of cycle, because if you can catch the cycle carefully, you will avoid a lot of mess. Okay, so you know which cycle the market is now, where is it going, and the changes within the cycle. This is not about the stochastic and MACD. No, none of this at all. So this is about understanding, okay, the market itself cycle. So the cycle has begun, okay, you see the cycle has begun. The key point, the different, very important point, what I call the game changer. When did the cycle has matured? So people see the cycle has begun and they enter the trade. And because the cycle is not mature yet, suddenly the cycle has changed again and they lose money. Now, what we have done with the TSTW 08 is to locate to the trader when the cycle has matured. So you wait for the maturity of the cycle and you enter. But if you are trading the TSTW 008, you know what the market is going through. The price is doing all the time. It's same thing over and over. So you see it, you just know what it's going to do. That's why we say the TSTW 08 is for harvesting profit and to enjoy trading. Because, I mean, it's there for you. And at the end of the day, we say that if you purchase the TSTW 008 and you are not enjoying your trade, I mean, the best advice that we can give you is look for something else. That's what we say. That's what we say. This is not about blah, 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 blah. I mean, the decision is still yours, okay? Being disciplined and do it properly. That's the key. I mean, it's just a very simple trading tool. I mean, but that's it, okay? The game changer to locate the cycle, the change within the cycle. So you enter the cycle at maturity, you can take profit within the cycle in different points, okay, and re-enter the cycle when you know that it's like a train going from A to B, stopping at stations. So you're taking your profit at stations and you reload it. And if the cycle is about to end, you know, and you come out when other people are still in the cycle. This is not about a trend, this is about cycle. The market cycle, how do you define it? This is it, okay? So, I mean, this is the different type of trading system, okay? So, but what we have done, okay, what we have done is that when anyone for trading system, we give them also one of our trading tool that we call the Swing 240 trading system. I mean, this is what I call, I mean, I like to call it a joker because the way, I mean, no, this is not what I call the joker, but it's similar to the joker. It's similar to the master key, the trading, which we call the joker, okay? But the TSTW, the Swing 240, if you purchase the TSTW 24, we give you the Swing 240 for free. Now, the reason why we do it is because I was trading the Dow Jones and I was losing a lot of the time, and the Dow Jones will punish me big time, okay? You can understand how it moves fast. So that's why I built the Swing 240 trading system to get my money back, which I did. So anybody that purchased the TSTW 24, we give them the Swing 240 trading system. Now, we want traders to look at it and to understand it, and some traders love it. And it's a gift that we give to TSTW 24 traders. If you purchase any of the TSTW 24, you will get the Swing 240 trading system for free. Okay, it's just a bonus. Okay, we give to you for free because we want you to do well in your trading. Okay, this is what we do, but we don't give it to you the same day. We wait few days because we don't want you to mix the two systems at the same time. So we give priority to the TSTW24 or whichever you purchase. You trade it first for at least 5 days or so, and then we give you the swing 240 trading system, and then you look at it also because traders have different style of trading in their mindset also. Okay, so this is what we try to do. So we give you value for your money, so you never get one single system ever if you purchase any of the TSTW trading system. Okay, now if you purchase the TSTW SY08, you will also get the swing 240 trading system, okay, for free. Okay, now if you purchase the TSTW SY008 which is this one here, you will get this one free, the TSTW SY08 and the swing 240 trading system for free. So by paying this price of £400, you are getting 3 trading systems. What we are trying to do now is that anyone that purchased the TSTW SY08, we will give to that person also the TSTW 24. So this is what we are trying to do now. We haven't started yet. If you are interested, let us know and we will talk to you. If you purchase the TSTW SY08, we are planning to give also for free the 24. So if you purchase the TSTW SY008, you get the TSTW SY08 for free and the swing 240 for free. Okay, now but if you purchase the TSTW SY08, you will get the 24, the TSTW 24 for free plus the swing 240 for free. That's what we are trying to do now. Okay, before we only give the swing 240 for free when somebody purchases the TSTW SY08, but now we have decided to give also to all the TSTW SY08 traders the TSTW 24 trading system for free, so they can also combine the two systems. So anytime you purchase any SYS trading system, TSTW SYS, okay, you get 3 trading systems from now on. That's what we try to do now. Anytime you purchase, but most of the time, those who purchase the TSTW SY08 are already TSTW 24 traders. If that's the case, we give you another trading system which we call the TSCCI Pro or the TSRSI Pro. That's what we will do, okay, because our goal is to give to traders a different type of trading system, okay, and how you can use them, okay, in order in the market consistently. Okay, so the key point to remember is that the price is for the pound yen currency pair, the monthly chart. The price is the #1 indicator. So we look first on the price. That's what we try to do and advise traders to do, using the TST trading system together with the price and what we call the stable data in the market. What is the stable data in the market? And you use the stable data together with the price. If you are trading and you are using the indicator without paying attention to the price, and most importantly to the stable data in the market, you will be going round, because the stable data remain intact in the market. When the market is doing all the blah blah blah, going up and down, volatility, news, the stable data remain intact. These are the things that you will use in a chaotic situation to come out of the chaotic situation, to see clearer what's going on in the market. This is the key. This is the difference between the TSTW trading system and any other trading system. You see here, the price was going horizontal. This is a market pattern, a stable data in the market. Price break above it, retest it here, bullish, retest again, bullish again. This is what we call one down, one up, one down, one up. This is a powerful reversal pattern on a monthly chart. There was a video about this candlestick pattern: one down, one up, one down, one up. You see, this is a powerful on a monthly chart. The price, what the price did, boom. This is what we were expecting on the USD yen, and because of the economy news, the USD yen could not give us a bullish pattern. But look, this is a pound yen. At this point in time, somebody who knew this pattern here, look what you claim. Boom, you just buy until you get tired and leave it run. That's what they did here. And the price just went on the monthly chart. One down, one up, one down, one up on the monthly chart. Watch the third candle, the low of the third candle must not be violated. Very important. There was a video there. You see the candle there. You see. So it went up here. Price went up. Break the and retest it on the monthly. Look at that. What do you wait for? Price display a head and shoulder pattern. Left hand side shoulder left hand side shoulder here, okay, the top here, and the right hand shoulder here, okay. Now boom, down again, broken, retest it. These are market pattern, stables, things that we work with in the market. Here, trend line being broken. There's a wages here. People call all sort of them a bearish blah 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 flag. You see, boom, down. How far is going to go? You will know using the projection of this distance down to here. You will project it to the downside here. You take your profit here, okay, and then you do the projection of the channels. Okay, that's how the market has only now. I need to wait a bit. Too many now is back. You make a bit of noise, which is nice to alert me that everything is back to. I want to say to you that you see the price. If my coming, my apology for all this technical problem. All right, so we now. Hopefully we'll be back to normal. That's my line that I was trying to draw. Is back now. You see the price touch this level here. There was a support to do things that I like to do fast. Another blah blah blah. Rah. That's what's going on in this place. Okay, now there is a software that if you have a software in conflict, it can be this one happening here. Too many things. I have my YouTube video also loading. Have all sort of thing going on here. So I hope things will get better as we go along. So you see the price touch this level. This was a key levels here, the blue line here. Price went to this zone here. We disregard the top one here because the price, when the price is playing this head, when it's forming the head and shoulder pattern, this is what we call exaggeration. The price was not supposed to go here. It's just the retest. The price tried to, the smart money want to buy at the best place. They knew that they should sell here, but they don't want to sell here. They bring it up further here and they sold it here. This is a pyramid. They are on the top here. They sold it here and we are somewhere here and we enter here. The smart money was here. They sold it here. We enter here at the retest because at this point in time, the retail trader did not know that the retail trader did not know that the smart money was selling. So they quickly jumped and start buying. And when they reach this point, the smart money starts selling again. So everybody realized that now we should sell and start selling. So that the smart money was selling here. So that's why I draw my horizontal line here instead of this like here, right? Because this is just exaggeration. You try to fast well, that's where you should sell. That's where we are now regarding the Dow Jones. I was going up, you say, buy my bike. Okay, that's fine. We will see. So you see the channel here. So you see the channel. So the price came out of the channel here. So the price came out of the channel. You project it. You see they come out. You project it down. You see where we are now. They come out. You project it again. You see where we are now. Using this pattern of the channel, you project it down and down. You can pass it. These are projector in the market. Then you will pay attention to together with the trading system, yourself controlling yourself, being disciplined. I hope you learn to do it. I hope you enjoyed the video that you